we start next week's only one group, yeah, and I want to Drew.
Low battery. Please charge.
Oh, so sorry. For a while.
I'm sorry, Miss. What was the question again?
Yes. Okay. What it means?
I'm sorry, Miss. What was the question again?
You speak? Oh, okay. It's okay. Moment, please. So sorry. Low battery for my speaker. Is it clear, my voice? Yes, that's right.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Clear,
Okay.
Mom.
Thank you. For the first, because for
Low
the
battery. Please charge.
for the lecture contract regarding intermediate English time at Win Sarif Hidayatullah, yeah, there are 3 credits in one semester, and the time it's around 150 minutes. Yes, is
Low
it true?
battery. Please charge.
Oh my god. How do I use it? Yeah, 150 minutes and only one semester. And I will give you the materials version TOEFL, yeah, because for facing the
Low battery. Please charge.
mini thesis or description, you have to get the scoring in Arabian in English. I don't know for the grade, yeah, and so version in TOEFL, yeah, and both online and offline, yeah, I use 100 minutes, and the
Low
other
battery. Please charge.
oh my god, and the other 50 minutes are for individual assignments, yeah, before the midterm test and before or the final test. So it's only 100 minutes by online and by offline. And I give
Low battery. Please charge.
maybe this is broken. Please. So sorry. Okay. I give the time at 30 minutes past 8 because usually some students, yeah, when online, yeah, especially in the month of Ramadan, maybe you are tired of waking up early and doing taraweh, yeah. So of course, if it starts at 7:30, many will be late to join, yeah. And also when offline, I start at 8, yeah, no 30 minutes past 7. But I come there as usual at 30 minutes past 6 in your campus, yeah, Win Sarifidayatullah. But you have, but you start, yeah, lecturing for me at 8 o'clock. No other reason anymore. yeah, because many also late, maybe those whose houses are far from campus or etc. So the conclusion only at 8 to 30 minutes past 9 or 10 for the last, yeah, the last time in the in our lecturings in your classroom. Okay, how many weeks for being interactive by online before Lebaran's Day or Eid
3
Mubarak?
weeks, 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks, miss. Yes.
Yes. What's the date? In on Friday, 21st of March. Yes, and you have to be by offline after the Lebaran's days. What's the date?
Yes.
What's the date? After the Lebaran's day. Setelah Lebaran, hari Lebaran, libur kan ya, holiday. Kalian masuk lagi kapan?
In April, but I don't remember the date.
Oh, okay, on April. Yeah, okay. So for the maybe show first premise. Show first for the slide. The title is Table Materials Learning of Intermediate English first. Would you show the screen? Yes. Okay. Please help me for the leader of this class. Who is the leader of this class? The leader, not the responsible person.
I'm the leader of this class, Miss.
What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Yasser Gaizan, but you can call me Gaizan, Miss.
Gaizan.
Yes.
Gaizan or
Gaizan?
Gaizan.
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 Yes,
oh,
miss.
yeah. Okay. Gaizan, please help me because I show in the Semesta. Semesta. For your attendance, many criteria for 6, late, alpha, and etc. But I want you make only 14 meetings. Yeah.
14.
Number, name, your measuring, and your attendance consists of 14 meetings. Conducted by online. Please write who is, or who hasn't joined in this online. So that is his or her absent, and then write tidak hadir atau absent or attendance, or it's up to you for your writing, ya. By Excel.
Okay, Miss.
And give me in the third meeting in the weeks of 3 by Softline. Yeah, and after finish conducted by online, so in your class, give me hard copy for your attendance, hard copy. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Miss.
Please share first. No PowerPoint first table. Learning of intermediate English. Promise by phone or by laptop?
Laptop, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Wait, I'm sorry, miss. It was the wrong
File.
Yeah, okay, I'll read it. In the WhatsApp group, have finished making the groups. Group 1, Akram, Alia, Aris in the first name, yeah, as a leader of the groups. Yeah, Akram as a leader of group 1, Kania group 2, Gatan group 3, Askar group 4, Demal group 5, Fatan 6, Iska 7, Naufal 8, Raswa 9, and JJ 10. Okay, deal for the leaders of the groups, or it's up to you for this moment. I want you have a leader of the group, yeah, and it's up to you. Please be discussed who will be the leader of the groups. Yeah, it's up to you. Okay, and now, oh, not yet. In intermediate English, yeah, because I want you make a paper by my template for the paper, for the PowerPoint, yeah. And then after finish presenting all of the groups, so please be edit by finding pre-test and post-test, yeah, finding the journal appropriate for your titles, yeah, and please be related for the targets of language. Yeah, target language by the same groups is the same titles. Okay, after you show in the, oh, not yet, yeah. Maybe please help her to show the first screen.
I'm sorry, Miss. Is it the template for the PPT of Intermediate English?
Table.
Oh,
the yes, table.
okay.
The name table in bahasa tabel materi pembelajaran. Ya, oke. Please be zoom out. Nih. Zoom out please, lebih besar lagi. Is it clear? Yes, clear?
Not yet, Mom.
Not yet. Okay. This is the highest, the biggest. Yes, clear? Yeah.
Clear.
Yeah, okay. You call my nickname Miss Dinda, ya. Okay, for the first slide, this first contract of learning and explanation syllabi of intermediate English. Yeah, first I explain or I want to mention what's the present. Yeah. So of contract of learning, there are first in the e-semester consists of 3 criteria. First writing about the formative. Yeah, formative. I will give you 50%. And then the midterm test 20%. And the final test 30%. Yeah. In the formative consists of your attendance 10%. So, how many attendance in your classroom include of this online? Yeah, 75%. Yeah, in general 10%. Ya, jadi nanti kehadirannya not more than minimal 11 meetings. Jadi minimal 11 pertemuan. If you have the reason for your absent maybe 6 ya, alpha or other information, so minimal 11 meetings ya. Hopefully until 16 include of midterm test and final test. Okay, and for the assignments, there are presenting, yeah, session of question from the audience, or session of question. I mean, you have some question, yeah, from the presentation. I will give you free meetings. Yeah, I will give you in the end of your paper. Write the names every meeting. Names is always writing. Yeah, always write in the end of the paper. So I will give you the class scoring. Yeah, many assignment and individual assignment you have in the last presenting. Yeah, you have to make video tutorial in the same or appropriate for your titles, and measuring for your your measuring is related for the journal. Jadi find from the journal in the Google Scholar. Yeah. Maybe after finish after the midterm test, still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, after the midterm test consists of 6 group, and then in the last collecting the video tutorial, yeah, by Google Drive, make in one folder for responsible person, yeah, give to responsible person, and then this the input of your assignments. Yeah, is it clear? Okay.
Clear, Miss.
Yeah. Next week, from the group 1 first. Why do you learn about footnote, quote, and bibliography by the example and by the paper? Yeah, because this is the most important things, yeah, for you until you have made, or maybe in Uin Syarif Hidayatullah in the 5th semester or in the 6th semester to make seminar proposal, ya, sempro. And if you make the paper, always use footnote, quote, and bibliography in your paper, in your description, yeah, in your other, it's up to you. It is the most important things by Said Mendeley. You have known Said Mendeley?
Yes, bro. Mom.
Yes,
Yeah,
Miss.
okay.
We all already use Mendeley.
Okay, Mendeley, yeah. And then start next week from the group 1 only talking about the Mendeley side, and the group 1 be guided from all students, and hopefully all students have installed the Mendeley And after session of question finish, so from the group 1, give the sequence step by step for using the Mendeley, the site Mendeley in the laptop. Jadi tolong nanti dipandu ya, especially from the group 1, talking about footnote. Who is the meaning of footnote in bahasa? Who knows? Footnote, the meaning in bahasa. Catatan kaki.
Catatan kaki, Bu.
Ya, quote or site is called kutipan. And bibliografi, daftar pustaka.
Oh, right.
Yeah, okay. And then I give you the template for using the paper. Ya, jadi ada template-nya nanti di sini ada template. So by using footnote under your writing, after you have found in the other source about quote, yeah, or references, yeah, body note and endnote and bibliography by Mendeley manually or automatically. Okay. For the group 1, I show in the WhatsApp group. Okay, group 1, Akram, Alia, and Aris, may I see you? Speak up, please. Have you understood? For next week, we start group 1 by explaining to all students and me. Yeah, and after finish, I ask you one by one, and from the audience, if we have the time, so continue to be guided for all students or for your friends, yeah, to your friends. Okay, is it clear, group 1? Any question, group 1?
Oh, Miss.
No, yeah. Okay, where is Akram? Akram as a leader, yeah, for your group 1.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Next, in the third meeting, yeah, this presenting all the PowerPoint from all papers of the groups. Yeah. Hopefully, we have the time, only 100 minutes, or because after at 10, 30 minutes, yeah, only a half. I have some students to meet me by online, so not more at 10, ya. Berharap nanti minggu depan sebelum jam 10 sudah selesai, ya. Presenting all the PowerPoint. What is this according to you? Please, yeah, make the PowerPoint after you have known the titles, the group 2 until 10, yeah. In the third meeting, please presenting one group 1, and I will check it out. It is no correction or there are correction. And then if you don't have revision, please continue making the papers and then present it in front of your friends in your classroom after the Lebaran's Day. Start in the 1, 2, 3 in the fourth meeting. Yeah, one group 1. So if you have the PowerPoint, refers to the paper and refers to appropriate to the titles. Okay, until now, any question? Today, contract of learning deal, ya, 50, 20, 30. And next week, we start group 1. 2 weeks later, presenting all the PowerPoint. Okay, maybe after know about the titles. Group 2. Who is group 2? Who are Kania, Gaizan, Hilman. Kania, your title talking about subject and verb agreement. Yeah, subject and verb agreement. Talking about deal with. If you use singular subject, deal with singular verb. If you use plural subject, we deal with plural verb. And if you have the other points, or it's called exception. So on the contrary, if you use singular subject, deal with plural verb. And then if you use plural subject, deal with singular verb. Yeah. So you have the exception, or it's called other information, other points. Yeah. Okay. Next, from the group 3, Gatan, Agung, and Radit. Your title is, are. Your titles are adjective and adverb, confusion and sensation. Complicated, yeah, about the part of speech talking about adjective and adverb. Yeah, still confused for using both of adjective and adverb. So please give me the function of adjective and the function of adverb first. And then why you are still confused? So if you use the same characteristic by adjective and by adverb. Which adjective, which adverb? Yeah, it's called confusion. Okay, and then sensation. Sensation only talking about adjective, no adverb. Although you have the verb, but this by static verb. Yeah, it's called other points or exception. If you use by the continuous style in stative verb, no talking about continuous. It couldn't be used in sensation. Yeah, please write here in your notes, because after presenting from the group 1 or after finish today, so please find the materials from your titles, yeah, group 1. And I hope please make the groups, ya, yourself, buat sendiri, ya, group 1, group 2 until 10, because by online give the materials in your group, WhatsApp grupnya. Misalnya tadi Akram sama siapa, Kania sama siapa, bikin grupnya, and for other friend give some materials and then share to the WhatsApp group. Jadi nanti siapa yang membuat PowerPoint-nya, ya, siapa yang mencari nanti harus sesuai dengan makalahnya, ya, and others. So consists of 3 person, ya, in one group. And then next group 4, present participle and past participle by relating from the reading text. This reading text, yeah, from the group 2 until group 7 by relating from the reading text, and then find the reading text glossaries of your measuring. Jadi nanti cari reading text-nya, istilah-istilah pertambangan, ya. It's up to you. And session of question, ya, interactive in your classroom by offline, only in the reading text after presenting by the PowerPoint, and then session the last from your friends, from the audience, from the reading text, only in the reading text appropriate for your titles. Okay, this present and past participle. Present and past participle not talking about the tenses from all the titles, not talking about the tenses, but you have known all the tenses. Jadi for group 4, give the various types function of present. For example, as a verb, as a continuous, as an adjective, or etc., or as a gerund. And past participle, as a verb, as a perfect forms, yeah, as a passive voice, yeah, and etc. And then please give the reading text same as group 2 and 3. Okay, and then before the midterm test, I will give you quiz for facing the midterm test, maybe almost the same criteria, almost the same materials, yeah, for you for facing the midterm test at the 8th meeting. Okay, from the group 2, 3, and 4, any question? No question? Clear? I will give
Sorry,
you
Miss,
the...
I got a question.
Yes? What's your name?
Untuk, my name is Agung, Miss. So, saya agak bingung atau mungkin tadi kelewat atau kurang nyimak untuk from the reading textnya itu apa ya, Miss?
Reading text bacaan.
Kayak itu bebas atau ada teks dari Miss sendiri gitu?
That I said glossary of your majoring. Jadi istilah-istilah jurusan kalian jurusannya pertambangan. Ya,
Yeah.
by article.
Okay.
Article. Ya, consists of...
Like journal?
No journal.
No
By
journal.
article.
Article
itu terdiri dari beberapa paragraf. Ya. Jadi misalnya membicarakan may I see, okay, may I know what's the glossary of mining? Maybe from the first semester, misalnya apa? Pertambangan membicarakan apa?
Basic of geology, Miss.
Ya, okay. And then by article, ya?
Yes.
Then, yes, I will give you the template for the paper intermediate English after this finish. Okay? Thank you.
Miss. Thank you.
You're welcome. Next. So for after finish the midterm test, continue from the group 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Group 5, Demal, Fatan, and Iska, and the other friends. Yes. The titles talking about clauses. All of the group 5, 6, 7. Yeah, please be scroll up. Okay. Clauses. Yeah, in a sentence there are word, phrase, clause, sentence, and paragraph. But in the group 5, 6, 7, only talking about clauses. Clauses, there are main clause and sub-clause. Kalau klausa itu terdiri dari induk kalimat dan anak kalimat. But if you use two sentences by clauses, so by giving the conjunction. Jadi conjunctionnya, kata penghubungnya menggunakan apa? By noun, by adverb, and by adjective. Noun, what's the meaning of noun? Group 5. Apa itu? Noun. Klausa, kata, benda. Group 6, adverb. What it means? Mana yang lainnya? Interaktif, please. Klausa, kata, keterangan. Ada adverb clauses. Ada lagi adjective clauses. Group 7.
Sifat, Bu.
Iya, oke. Good job. Klausa, kata, sifat. Ya, is called conjunction. Kata penghubungnya, kata benda, kata keterangan, atau kata sifat. So give me the characteristic. And then various types of noun clause, various types of adverb clause, various types of adjective clause. And if you have the other points or exception, okay, please write in the material description. Okay, and next, group 8. Group 8 for Naufal, Otman, and Rafi. That is different from the group 2 to 7. Why? Because in the group 8, learning about parallel structure by comparative degree in adjective and in adverb. Yeah, don't forget, complicated by the part of speech only in adjective and adverb. So comparative degree in adjective first, the characteristic, and in adverb first for the characteristic. Now relating from the reading text. Give me another friend written expression. Apa itu written expression? Ya, you have for answering. Ya, and give the underline A, B, C, D. Ya, written expression. And then please find the error answer. Jadi harus mencari mana jawaban yang salah. Incorrect answer. Nanti misalnya A-nya jawabnya knows, B-nya know, C-nya have known, D-nya will know. Ketika membaca pernyataannya, ternyata yang salah adalah yang B. Ya, you don't use know because by the subject and verb agreement-nya ini menggunakan plural subject. Jadi tidak boleh menggunakan yang knows. Nah, ini yang salah. And then give the reason why it use it. Jadi kasih alasannya. Ya, so give me many exercises ya for giving written expression. Jadi nanti memberikan contoh written expression-nya ya, lalu dijelaskan kenapa ini salah karena seperti ini. Ya. Oke, is it clear? Group 8 parallel structure. Jadi harus ada hubungan tata bahasa yang paralel menggunakan adjektif dengan adverb, hanya 2 ya. Karena Ibu mencarinya yang complicated for talking about the part of speech. Okay, next, group 9 and 10. Group 9 presenting about reading comprehension and 10 listening comprehension in one meeting. So, reading comprehension I will give you for explaining about maybe main idea, stated and unstated detail question, ya. Give the clues atau find the keyword. Gimana kita belajar reading comprehension kalau ada pertanyaan mengenai gagasan utama. Jadi harus memberikan clue-nya. Misalnya, take from the first paragraph in the first line. atau check in the last paragraph in the last line. And if you have many paragraph in the reading passage, ya ada beberapa paragraf nih dari teks bacaan. Nah, caranya seperti apa? Ya, juga dengan adanya stated and unstated detail question. Ada yang tersirat, ada yang tersurat. Nah, ini harus bisa membedakan. Jadi, untuk group 9 and 10 in the 13 meetings, ya, both of the groups talking about reading and listening comprehension. Give the clues and I will give you audio listening after finish from the group 10. Give the keyword or give the clue how to listen from listening comprehension in the first person or in the second person. Yang penting yang mana nih? Kalau kita sudah mendengarkan listening, ada 2 percakapan yang short conversation, kira-kira mengacunya ke yang pertama atau yang kedua? Kalau yang pertama sudah miss, kelewat, kita lebih memperhatikan yang kedua. Ya, syukur-syukur in the first and in the second, you have understood for their speaking. Karena cepat ngomongnya ya, karena di sana ada elipsis, pemenggalan. And I will give you the materials reading and listening comprehension, maybe Saturday or Sunday ya. And don't forget for Prames, ma'am, for the materials reading and listening ya, haven't got to group 9 and 10. Jadi tolong ingetin Ibu. Karena Ibu belum mencari mana kira-kira yang, karena banyak ya materinya. Because in intermediate English version TOEFL, and I will give you 4 skills of language. Apa itu 4 keahlian berbahasa? Yang pertama apa? Reading,
Speaking,
writing, and listening. Ya, oke, thank you. Jadi semua sudah masuk ini dari mulai kelompok 1 ya, group 1 to 10 by 4 skills of language. Okay, and if you have finished presenting all the groups, so I will give you quiz for facing the final test, and then this collecting the video tutorial. Apa ini video tutorial? And give me 1 folder by the link of Google Drive, ya, from Prameswari or from the leader of this class. Tadi siapa namanya, lupa?
Gaizan, Miss.
Ya, give me ya by Google Drive. Ini gimana collecting the video tutorial? For example, for the group 1, the titles are talking about footnote, quote, and bibliography. Judulnya sama, tapi video tutorialnya harus berbeda dalam penjelasannya. Ya, jangan lupa untuk nanti membuat video tutorialnya harus kelihatan muka kalian ya. Karena banyak yang menggunakan apa ya istilahnya? Bukan joki, apa ya? Jadi for my experience ya, from students give me the assignment video tutorial, itu misalnya yang muncul namanya wanita tapi yang mempresentasikannya laki-laki, dan ini tidak ada fotonya, jadi Ibu tidak ada fotonya, tidak ada muka kalian, tidak kelihatan. Nah, Ibu tidak mau seperti itu. So by video tutorial appropriate for your titles, but that is the same titles, but that is different video tutorial. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Any question?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry, miss. Can I ask about the group
Yes.
3's assignments?
Yes, okay.
Just
What's
talking
your
about the
mm-mm.
adjective and adverbs confusion and sensations relating from the reading text.
No, it's not. It's a free account.
Free? And how about the second, the new link? Consists
The new link is gonna be 60-hour 10-minute.
60 minutes.
It's
Only
a
a half.
minute. Yeah.
Only a half more. Yes, okay. Jadi kurang lebih hanya setengah jam lagi. 60, not 30 ya. 1 hour from right now. Okay? Yes, okay. Question from the group 3. Yes, repeat your question from Agung. I saw this. Gatan, Agung, and Radit. Okay, your question, repeat.
I'm sorry, Miss. You explained about what we should do. What is the assignment for the group group 3? Because here it's adjective and adverbs condition and sensation by relating from the reading text. I don't actually get what you mean, tadi, Miss.
You haven't understood about your materials talking about adjective and adverb confusion and succession? Yes, is it
Yes.
clear? Okay. Please find from the other source. Just writing differences between adjective and adverb confusion first. And then, so write characteristic, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you use the function of adjective, misalnya kalau adjective, it refers to noun. And number 2, it refers to pronoun. And the function of adverb, it refers to verb, it refers to adjective, it refers to other adverb. Itu masih confusion. Kalau di sini bilang still confused, confusion. Kalau kalian menggunakan fungsi yang sama antara adjektif dengan adverb, kita nggak tahu mana fungsi adjektif, mana fungsi adverb. Nah, ini yang harus dikuasai oleh kalian, karena nanti ada temannya, kelompok lain yang membicarakan comparative degree in adjective and adverb. Tapi kalau kelompok 3 sudah menjelaskan dan there are session question from the audience, sudah terjawab, insya Allah untuk complicated by adjective and adverb, no complicated anymore. Kalau untuk yang sensation, nanti cari lagi adjective or verb sensation, in other source in the Google, nanti akan muncul contoh-contohnya, Lalu untuk reading text-nya, tadi Ibu mintakan yang istilah-istilah pertambangan, misalnya tadi mengenai kalkulus, biologi, and others, is up to you. Tapi berupa artikel. Artikel itu terdiri dari beberapa paragraf, misalnya membicarakan apa arti kalkulus, apa arti, terserah bentuk ininya, baru nanti masuk di bawahnya, paragraf demi paragraf. Oke, is it clear, Agung, Radit, and others from the group 3? Yes, clear?
Clear. Yes.
Clear ya, Gatan ya?
Clear, Miss. Thank you.
Yes, all of them please write same as your titles that I have given to you. Jadi nanti tulis aja seperti itu, nanti akan muncul, ya. Okay, any question from other groups? No question? Okay, if you don't have some question, Please, Prames, please show the slide talking template for the paper intermediate English. Jadi nanti ada template-nya, sesuaikan dengan template yang sudah Ibu berikan. Where is the template? No PowerPoint. The title tadi tulisannya template for the paper of intermediate English. Ya, okay. This ya. For the meeting 1 until 10, please by using my template for all the papers from the groups. This, for example, write meeting 1. The footnote, quote, and bibliography theories. Ya, jadi belakangnya selalu menggunakan theories. And then first, objective of the study in bahasa tujuan pembelajaran. Ya, kalau ditulis di sini objective of the study, tujuan pembelajarannya yang mana? Tujuan pembelajaran yang pertama tadi mengenai footnote. Ya, what is the function? Ya, after the student will study about the footnote. So after studying, the student will be able to, it's up to you for your writing. Ini Bu hanya memberikan contoh the template. Ya, and then after explaining footnote, continue quote and bibliography. Ya, for objective of the study. How many numbers is up to you. Ya, but it's the most important things you have to understand for the objective of the study completely. Okay, next point B. Please be scroll up. B, material description. In material description, ini uraian materi. Ya, as usual, please write definition of footnote. Ya, friend. And then various types of footnote, ya, if you have. So next, please scroll. Karakteristik. Karakteristik footnote apa saja? Tolong ditulis. Jadi ini Ibu mencontohkan untuk kelompok 1 sama dengan baik kelompok 2 sampai kelompok 10 ya. Kan tidak mungkin waktunya juga tidak cukup. And after characteristic of the theory, give the example. Ini kebetulan from the Economy and Business, FEB. Ya. And give the examples. So, point C. Look at the point C. That I said, for the target language, all of the groups talking about verbal and nominal sentences. Yeah, because from the group 1, no repeating from the reading text and no target language. Yeah, especially from the group 1, give guiding from to all the person, to all your friends. And I would see that is true or false. Ya, Ibu nanti akan lihat ini benar apa tidak. Karena nanti semuanya, all students, please finish installing site Mendeley. Ya, Ibu nggak tahu apakah laptopnya ada support atau tidak. Nanti ada yang manually and automatically. Jadi nanti untuk kelompok 1 tolong dibuat alternatif lain jika ada temannya yang, jadi simulation ya, temannya yang tidak bisa mengambil dari kutipan sumber lain untuk diletakkan di bawah penulisan makalah kalian. Jadi ambil makalah di semester 1 soft file saja. Jadi nanti dipraktekkan ambil kemana, jadi dipandu ya. Please be guided. Group 2 to 10. Group 8, no reading text and no target language. Same as 8, 9, 10. Ya, no giving the target language and no giving the reading text. Ini especially from the group 2 until 7. Jadi di sini penulisannya target language, verbal and nominal sentences. Semuanya cari, tidak boleh ada yang sama, banyak sekali materinya ya. This number 1, definition of verbal sentences and nominal sentences. Jadi Ibu kasih tahu dulu nih, apa arti verbal dan nominal? If you use verbal sentences, it always uses verb. Itu selalu menggunakan verb. Yang kedua, it doesn't use verb. It doesn't use to be. Kalau sudah menggunakan verb, tidak boleh menggunakan to be. Nanti ada pengecualiannya ya. Lalu, if you use the question, maybe from your friends, from the audience, if the verbal only uses form do, form of have, form of modal. Kalau nominal, it always uses to be, it doesn't use verb. By the question, karena di sini nominal tidak menggunakan verb, kalian harus mencari complements-nya, pelengkapnya, ya, dengan menggunakan kata benda, noun, adjective, and adverb. Jadi harus ada. Misalnya, are you a student or do you go with your family? Kalau are you a student ada kata kerjanya tidak? Ayo, speak up please. Are you a student? There is a
No.
no. So, it's called nominal sentence. Karena tadi Ibu bilang, it always uses to be, it doesn't use verb, ya. So, there are noun, adjective, or adverb. Are you a student? A studentnya sebagai kata benda. Kalau do you go with your family? There is a verb?
There is a verb.
Okay, which verb?
Go.
Go.
Go. Okay, that's good. I like that verb. Interactive, ya. Jadi kalau verbal menggunakan kata kerja, tidak boleh menggunakan to be, nanti ada pengecualiannya. If you are talking about continuous itu ada to be, ada verb ing. Ya, you are listening atau you are studying English. Ada to be-nya are, ada studying-nya sebagai verb, ini pengecualian. Atau menggunakan passive voice. The English is being studied by us. Bahasa Inggris sedang dipelajari oleh kami. Ada to be-nya, ada kata kerja ketiga. Jadi nanti ini untuk target language-nya, kalian cari verbal and nominal sentences dengan versi kalian sendiri, ya. Tidak boleh sama dengan kelompok lain. Ini kebetulan sudah lengkap. Oke, next. Lanjut from point D. Ini yang disebut dengan reading text. Ya, human relations theory. Ini karena dari Fakultas FIB, ya. Dia membicarakan istilah-istilah ekonomi mengenai human relation theory. Nah, ini berupa artikel. Nah, oke ya. Baru di bawahnya latihan. Ini latihannya. What are the three main classification of management theory? Ini dihubungkan ya ke judul kalian atau ke target language. Jadi tergantung pertanyaan dari ibu atau pertanyaan dari teman-teman kalian. Ya, jadi ini dihubungkan. Nah, ini ada yang number 4. Give an example. Coba dilihat yang exercise nomor 4. Give an example of verbal sentence in the active voice and its corresponding passive form. Nah, ini ada contohnya. Tapi ini masih salah karena tidak mengacu kepada reading text. Kan tidak ada tadi, she plays the piano beautifully. Passive voice-nya, the piano is played beautifully by her. Ini still false. Jadi yang ibu mau, nanti pertanyaannya ibu akan arahkan supaya nanti makalahnya sudah tidak ada revisi dan dikumpulkan ke ketua kelas atau ke PJ ya, responsible person-nya. Nanti sudah rapih, tidak ada revisi. Oke, in the last ini ada reference-nya. Nah, ini nanti reference-nya dipandu oleh kelompok 1 melalui site Mendeley. Oke. Yes, any question? Okay, question from the group is up to you in bahasa or in English or BMix, but now start next week or by online or by offline in English full. Ya, kalau belum lancar nggak apa-apa, tapi pelan-pelan saja pakai bahasa Inggris. Ya, kalau ibu lihat nanti ada kesulitan dalam menjelaskan, ya baik dalam menjawab pertanyaan, is okay, ya. Tapi ibu berharap, because you are students of Win Sarif Hidayatullah, ya, masuknya aja sudah sulit, betul tidak? Ya, bahasa Inggrisnya ada, bahasa Arabnya, tesnya apa saja kemarin? Arabian and English. Ya. Okay, Gatan, question anymore?
I'm sorry. I'm good, man.
Yeah. Okay. Any question? Now clear all of the groups. Don't forget next week start from the group 1 first, and then in the third meeting you have to make PowerPoints refers to your papers. Jadi buat kelompok kalian sendiri masing-masing ya, khususnya untuk bahasa Inggris. Jadi karena kita online, nanti kan di-share materinya dan siapa yang akan membuat PowerPoint-nya. Jadi nanti disetujui satu sama yang lain ya, not more than 10 slides, jangan terlalu banyak. Karena waktunya nanti nggak cukup. Untuk yang pertemuan ketiga, only presenting the PowerPoints. Ya, no presenting itself, tidak secara satu persatu. Nanti ya after the Lebaran sedih. Oke, stop sharing please. Rames. If you don't have question anymore, yeah, for making pre-test and post-test and finding the journal, same as your materials, maybe in your classroom. Nanti ya di kelas kalian. Ketua kelasnya nanti ibu mau tanya untuk for especially for today, how many subjects? 2 or 3? Ada berapa mata kuliah hari ini?
Izin menjawab, Bu. Ada 3.
Yes, there is 3 sub.
Okay, I'm in the first session ya. Okay, I'm in the first
Yes,
session.
Miss.
Okay, I think finish. Any question? Ramesh, nanti please share to the WhatsApp group for all my materials. Nanti dikirim ke WhatsApp group. Ya, if you are still confused, only the leader of the groups, ya, chat in the WhatsApp group. No chatting me individually. Jadi nggak ada yang langsung ke Ibu tanya. Ya, jadi bertanyanya di WhatsApp group diwakili oleh ketua kelompok. Yes, okay. How about today? Finish? Nanti tolong di screenshot, Ramesh. How many capture? Ada berapa kali?
I think about 4 to 5 captures, Miss.
4 capture. Okay, please be on time for all students. Be on cam right now.
Yes, Miss.
Ya, oke. Sekprodinya, what's his name? What's her name?
Miss
Mr. or
Maya Arafah.
Oh, Miss
Maya.
Yeah, that is I want to be proof that we conducted by online for 3 weeks. Ya, okay. Please be counted. Tolong dihitung 1, 2, 3. Ready?
Set.
Okay, ready, Miss.
Sorry. Ibu yang belum on cam. Yes. Okay.
Who's the one to take a capture?
Ramesh or how about you?
Maybe Ramesh, Miss.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yes. Ready?
Ready? Again.
Yeah.
Again.
1, 2, 3. Finish, Mom.
Okay, finish. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for your time and see you next week. Start from the group.